Good afternoon, dear student. I am Rumana Ansari, faculty of Modern Group of Institution. Today I am going to explain about computer application in pharmacy. So, what are the applications or what are the computer applications uses in pharmacy? Computer play an important role in pharmacy. It make pharmacist life easier. Computer uses in drug and patient data based management system. It also provides some order entry system, drug information, billing, purchasing, automated dispensing units, and today we can exchange the health information and provide some services across the geographical time and social boundaries. This diagram comprises that uses of computer in diagnosis, therapy, and prevention. Here are some advantages of computer in pharmacy. Pharmacy plays crucial role in patient care, also require huge in management and manpower. Effective use of computers started in pharmacy in year of 1980. Advantages like reduction of time, accuracy, reduction in manpower, speed, multitasking. Some uses of internet in pharmacy. Internet is a collection of data. We can access so many information from the internet which are available in soft copy. So we can download some books, some content material, some research, journal published papers. Some also we can download some tools for literature survey in pharmacy. So we can use so many things in pharmacy with the help of internet. Computer and retail pharmacy. Computer also used in retail pharmacy like accounting function, managerial function, purchasing and inventory control, drug information, etc. Hospital and clinical pharmacy and computer. Hospital pharmacy performs some functions of receiving and allotment of drugs and also dispensing and manufacturing some data and patient record maintenance, purchase and inventory control, some therapeutic monitoring. Computer and pharmaceutical analysis. Computer also uses in pharmaceutical analysis, some design software are uses in pharmaceutical analysis that we have already learned in laboratory system, laboratory software, some text softwares. These softwares are also uses to store, retrieval the data or manage the database. We can also use the SQL system for managing the database. Here are some softwares like HPLC, MS, GLS, spectrometer, and all the instrument are uses in pharmacy for analysis of data, retrieval of data. Computer aided drug design. Computer also uses in drug designing like rational drug design, integral part of drug discovery, chemical modifications of molecules, generation of lead molecules, docking study using 3D models of protein. So computer can use in drug design also. Simulation. Simulation means when a medical students need to practice some procedure or some procedure on real patients, so there is a computer program can also use for surgery and some procedure instead of using some real patient. Telepharmacy. Telepharmacy play an important role like a patient is on the another distance and we can provide some pharmaceutical care to the patients like rural, some villages area where the medical facilities are not available. So the telepharmacy is used at that place. Some licensed pharmacists are used. Some government policies are also used at this place for telepharmacy. Internet pharmacies. Internet pharmacies means when a patient wants to contact or communicate to a doctor with the help of internet, so the doctor can also suggest some medicines, provide some health care when the patients are not available, if patients is not available to go outside. So the internet facility, internet pharmacies is used at this place. Drug information storage and retrieval, as I have already explained about the information storage. So drug information storage and retrieval means the drug related data is used with the help of some softwares like drug information services are required to store the data. Retrieve the data means we can take the data at any time. The pharmacist can use the data 24 into 7, can also access the data. With the help of this function, we can also save our time, some main power, etc. So this was all about the computer application in pharmacy. I hope you all have cleared this. Thank you.